Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet A to Z with some color. Red color, orange color, violet color, gold color, green color, brown color, silver color, pink color, black color. First, A. Brown color, A for ant, A for apple. Brown color, B for ball, B for bat. C for cat. D for doll. Green color, E for elephant, E for egg. Green color, F for fish. G for goat, G for God. Orange color, H for horse. I for igloo, I for ice cream. J for jug, J for jug. K for kite, K for kite. Pink color, L for lion. M for mango. N for necklace. Violet color, O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rat. Gold color, S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella. Red color, V for vase. W for window. Silver color, X for X-ray. Silver color, Y for yak. Silver color, Z for Jew, Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thank you.